Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a ledger voucher in Tally. To begin, from the main gateway of Tally screen, you will first navigate to the Display menu option. Once inside, proceed to select Day Book from the available choices. This action will present you with a comprehensive list of your daily transactions, serving as your essential starting point for locating the specific voucher you intend to remove. Once you are viewing the daybook, it's important to efficiently locate the correct voucher. You might need to adjust the date range using the provided options to filter entries, especially if you are searching for older transactions. Carefully review the displayed list to pinpoint the exact ledger voucher you intend to delete. After successfully finding it, simply press the Enter key to open that particular voucher for further action. With the specific voucher now open on your screen, the next crucial step is to initiate the deletion process. To do this, simultaneously press the Alt key combined with the D key on your keyboard. Tally will then present a prompt, asking for your confirmation. It is vital to carefully confirm your decision at this stage, as the selected ledger voucher will be permanently deleted from your company's financial records. It is extremely important to remember that deleting a voucher in Tally is a permanent action that cannot be reversed or undone. Before proceeding with any deletion, always take a moment to consider if canceling or reversing the entry might be a more suitable and less impactful alternative. Furthermore, it is absolutely crucial to ensure you possess the correct authorization and understanding before deleting any financial record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.